Hey folks, we're live at 11:36 a.m. battling for Troy's UKG 80 Hoth Stormtrooper. I got 10 spots, good odds here of winning. Oop, 10 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our champion. There they are, 1 through 10. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 7, which means we're good to go. Good luck, guys. As we get down to it, Gary Bleacher in the top spot for our first round with number 1. Nice names. Sam, round 2. Scott, 3. Sam, 4. Gary, 5. Scott, 6. And our winner is Scott Singer in at number 8. Congrats, Scott. Here's the verification code and official results. IDF OZC. Scott Singer, number 8's the victor. Which means I'm done at 11:37. As you can see, meow. Again, here's the official results and our winner, Scott. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.